adobo.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy, okay?
Thank you, I will.
Do you want me to have it to go?
No, I'm gonna eat it right
You're gonna
now.
eat it right now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. And thank you for having us.
Yes, I am loving them. I'm always going to have rolling lumpia. If you don't have rolling lumpia, you're wrong.
I love that. Thank you,
Bye.
Luchay.
Yeah, I love yours, but hers is good too. You make it really
This is
good.
the best.
Both of you are really good at making. Thank you.
This
Yeah.
is really good. I cannot wait to eat this.
Thank you. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Lisa, lumpia trucker. You know that there's another lumpia trucker.
I've
right?
seen it. I commented on Facebook about it. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's trying to follow me.
Yeah. So now we have two lumpia
That's
truckers.
right. I'm number one though.
Yes.
How are you guys doing? Good?
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all are so busy, so busy.
I know we have a big order earlier.
You're
And that
everywhere.
put me behind. Hey, I gave you extra lumpia, okay?
Oh my gosh, I'm so
Do you want
excited.
more?
They're gonna be excited because I didn't buy none for them.
Okay, I'll put more, one more.
Giving us extra.
So there's two extra orders of lumpia here.
Oh, thank
So
you.
you have 12 pieces of lumpia.
Summer night, dirty dive. I wasn't too proud to try. I got a ride, took a ride, then another ride. Little lies, cutting ties. You don't know how much you hide. I don't get it, but I'll see you tomorrow night. I know you said it, but I think I can win the fight. Can you keep on going? We're in the moment. Can you keep on going? We're in the moment. Can you keep
Happy Saturday mga ka-Rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video guys, isi-share ko lang sa inyo kung gaano karami ang 30 pounds na pork belly adobo. Thank you for watching! Enjoy! Mga ka-Rollings, ito yung ginamit natin na lumpia storage na binili natin sa restaurant store. Tines lang natin mga ka-Rollings kung madali ba mag-iwala yung ating frozen lumpia kapag gagawin siya karami. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys na madali naman siyang pagkuha-walayin at hindi siya guys nagkukunik. Wala naman tayong sikreto mga ka-Rollings. Basta nilagay lang natin sila dito sa ating storage and then pinrozen lang natin siya guys. And ayan, makita nyo guys, hindi siya nagkukunik-kunik. And again guys, no secret here. It's just a regular storage. Share ko lang sa inyo mga ka-Rollings. Kung gusto nyo rin makabitid sa plastic or sa ziplock, ayan guys, mag-storage na rin kayo. Yeah, storage. Ayan, hindi naman siya mahirap pag-iwalay mga ka-Rollings. Ayan. Thank you guys! I hope makatulog ka sa inyong lumpia business. Ayan, oh, bilis guys. Frozen siya pero madali talaga siyang pag-iwalay. And again, I don't have any secret. Ilagay ko lang dito, lagay natin sa freezer, ilabas natin, and pinag-iwalay. Thank you for watching! Happy Tuesday mga ka-Rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung tips na nakuha natin this weekend, November 1st and 2nd. Meron tayong malaking event mga ka-Rollings. But inabot tayo ng 7 hours nung Saturday and another 5 hours naman nung Sunday. Okay guys, November 1st, yung ating tips, credit card tips is nasa $222 and then nung November 2nd naman guys, $146 yung ating tips. Plus, meron tayong cash na around $60. So, in 2 days mga ka-rollings, inabot din tayo ng $428 na tips. Pero guys, yung 7 hours at 5 hours, pagtitinda lang yan ha. Hindi pa kasama dyan yung ating prep time. Kaya nga mga ka-rollings, dahil sobrang galante ng ating mga customers, galante rin tayo sa pagseserbisyo sa kanila mga ka-rollings. Ayan mga ka-rollings, nagluto tayo ng tofu or tokwa. Nakakasuya na guys yung palaging pork belly or lumpia yung lunch natin. So, nag-tofu tayo. Nag-prito tayo ng tofu. Meron pa tayong 30 minutes to start para mag-start yung event. So, kakain muna tayo guys. Meron tayo suka toyo. Ay! Sarap ng tokwa guys. Try natin guys yung sweet chili sauce para sa tofu. Fried tokwa. Masarap guys ng tokwa. Favorite ko talaga yung tokwa mga ka-rollings. Actually, isa sa favorite yan. Ayan! Sarap! Nay, anong ulam?
Paksiw na kapak.
Ayan guys, ang sarap ng luto ni Mother.
Paksiw na kapak. Ang ulam namin. Parang kami na sa Pilipinas yan.
Ayan guys, yung
Lalagyan pa namin ng
tawag nila dito guys sa kapak is mullet. And hindi nila guys masyadong kinakain yan or binibili dito yung mullet. Pero ayan, ang lalaki. Maangat mo yung isang ulo. Yung isang ulo. So ayan mga ka-rollings, tingnan yung laki. Ang laki ng dito, ang laki ng kapak dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nyo dyan guys.
kapak nga.
So kapak yan sa amin. Ayan si Mother.
Pilipinas, kapak yan.
Ang sarap. Meron pang talong.
Saka,
Ayan, may ampalaya pa. Mayroon pa tayong ampalaya mga ka-rollings. Di ba parang nasa Pinas lang?
luto na kaya to?
Ha? Ito na yan na. Yung kinain ko na yan kanina. eh.
Mapait.
Hindi.
Hindi mapait?
Oh, hindi mo na isama. Ano yan? So, ayan ang ulam natin mga ka-rollings. Ayan.
Ano yan?
Okay, kakain muna kami guys.
Just a couple of minutes.
Rebecca? Brenda? Happy Monday mga ka-rollings. And guys, kahapon meron tayong special na croissant pork belly adobo. Konti lang pala yung dinala natin mga ka-rollings dahil ini-introduce pa lang natin ito sa ating mga customers. At nakabenta naman tayo ng 7 orders nito. Binibenta pala natin ito ng $8.50 mga ka-rollings. And ayan guys, tinotoast muna natin yung ating croissant and then nilalagay natin yung ating filling na pork belly adobo. At ayan guys, makikita nyo na hindi natin tinipid ang ating palaman mga ka-rollings. And yung finale natin mga ka-rollings ay ang ating lettuce. Ayan guys, ready to serve na. mga ka-rollings, ayan guys, meron tayong crispy pork belly special today. And itatry natin siya guys. Ang harap guys. Super crispy.